Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices and signing in. You need your Google ID and the child's account already created. Once signed in, make sure Family Link is active on your device and ready to add a child. Next, pair the child device by following on-screen pairing prompts. You'll grant temporary permissions to link accounts. While you do this, keep both devices unlocked and nearby so the verification codes sync quickly, because uninterrupted pairing prevents mismatches later. Once linked, you configure controls. Set app permissions so you approve installs and in-app purchases, which prevents surprises. Then, set daily screen time limits and a recurring bedtime schedule to enforce healthy device habits. Also, enable content filters for Chrome, YouTube, and Google Search to reduce mature results. Choose stricter settings for younger kids. Make sure to review app-by-app exceptions. If a learning app needs extra time, grant additional minutes rather than disabling limits entirely. You finish by reviewing activity reports and fine-tuning settings. Look for patterns and change limits as needed so controls match real behavior. Make sure remote lock and locate are enabled so you can pause or find the device instantly. If something goes wrong, sync failures, or missing controls, first check Wi-Fi and app updates, then reauthorize the child account in Family Link. Often re-pairing resolves token or permission issues. Keep communication open with the child about why.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.